Welcome all, it is Bobby, 2 Pops Breaks on Friday, April the 21st. We are breaking Bond Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It's a 1 box or 1 envelope break. Randomed up our 11 remaining envelopes. 10 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized, y'all. Gave you a chance to trade. Jesus Christ. Alright, here we go. Bam! Well, going to be the Raiders spot, folks. Wow, another big hit behind here for someone, guys. Bam! Going to be the San Francisco hit, folks, with the Joe Montana framed jersey. So here, gonna get the repeat, folks. This ain't gonna be nothing else in that envelope. Alright, who had LVR? SD. I'm about to run and get that. I keep forgetting that that's upstairs. I kept forgetting to bring that down, man. Alright, who has soccer? Kyle. Gonna get the freebie and the do-over there. Wow, Kyle gonna get the do-over and the Montana, man. Kyle has had a nasty series going for himself here. Sorry to get the dang hiccups, folks. Wow, man. Kyle friggin' continues his little mini run here, man. Going to bring up a better pick of Montana. Here we go. Bam, that is your Joe Montana, Kyle. Alright, SD, I'm going to need a minute to run up and grab the Dave Casper, but I'm going to end the vid there, guys, and you guys can call out your kids while I run upstairs just to grab the Casper for SD there. That is going to wrap up that break, guys. We are down to 10 boxes. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, y'all. Bobby 2 Pops Breaks. Click those follow and subscribe buttons.